Thank you for continuing to come back and for being here. Consumers today trust creators more than they trust their family. Wild. Congratulations.
It's just really amazing to see the amount of support that I've received from so many of you guys, as well as Amber and Baxter, and I'm just truly honored to be a part of this group here. We are so lucky to do what we do. We really are. And if I can do this job while fighting cancer, like, we can do anything. We really can.